Hi, this is XX Raw X Pop XX, and I'm doing my 2012 fireworks stash. First, we got the Blazing Rebel. It seems pretty good. It's got the picture on the side. Looks good. Hot Shot. It must be different, but it's kind of, yeah. I had this one last year. This one's pretty good. Glow Fuzz. For some reason, they did a stupid glow fuzz thing. These are just stupid little fountains. But the golden shower fountain. Another one. Probably bigger. Nope. This one I've never seen before. It's my first time seeing this one. It's rectangle, square. Pyro fan. Looks pretty good. And this is pretty heavy. These are 7-inch assorted fountains. 7-inch assorted fountains. We got a whole bunch of these flashing fountains. This one's got report. This is a long box. It's got crackling effect. And these are just regular ones, usually what you get. These are what they look like. These little things stand up like that. Yeah. Oh. Oops. Alright. Well, that's those. And it just came with a box of sparklers, punk. Stupid. Those are the punks, sparklers. And I've heard of these. These seem good. I've heard these are pretty good. June bugs. I wish I got a lot of those. But nope, of course not. This year, I got a lot of these. Glittering. I've never seen this rain dance fountain. A box of rain nets. Glittering. Another blue glittering fountain. Different report. These two are different. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it. That's my fireworks stash, and this is 2011 fireworks. Bye.